Dear students, let's learn with fun. Tick the correct answer. A. In village, people use stove, chulha, oven, microwave. And your correct answer is chulha. Next, B. People of Punjab like to eat tandoori roti, idli dosa, rice or poha. And your correct answer is tandoori roti. Next, C. Cakes and pastries are baked in tandoor, oven, gas stove, chulha. And your right answer is oven. Next, D. In town, most of the people have tandoor, oven, gas stove, chulha. And your answer is gas stove. Next, E. An example of liquid fuel is kerosene, coal, cow dung cakes, electricity. And your correct option is kerosene. F. The best source of environment-friendly fuel is rain, water, soil, and sun. And your correct answer is sun. Thank you for watching this video.